हेलो एवरीवन, हाउ यू ऑल? कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग? आई होप यू ऑल मस्ट बी हैविंग अ ग्रेट टाइम. एंड नाउ लेट मी टेल यू दैट वी हैव डिजाइन्ड द मोस्ट comprehensive batch for all the aspirants who are going to appear in 2026 with agriculture as their optional, guys. So we have launched this foundation come enrichment course, FCE batch, you can say FCE course, and this is going to be the most revolutionary in your preparation phase, guys. In this video I am going to discuss that what all you will be getting under this, how we have divided this FCE into certain levels, which will be including by building up your base by these foundation classes, by enrichment of the case studies of the Kurukshetra magazines, Yojana magazines, current affairs. I'll be doing enrichment live sessions we'll be doing over here, and how you will be assessing it with the help of test series, how test series will be evaluated, in how many days you will be getting it, will you be getting the model answers related to it. All your queries will be solved in this session. Sit back and relax and just try to understand what this FCE batch brings to you. Also, certain students who have been my subscriber from the Jan onwards, like Jan, Feb and March month, for the 2026 examination, they must also be having this doubt that whether you can join this FCE batch, because in their batches these components are missing. They are only getting foundation classes and my mentorship, not the enrichment sessions, also not the test series, guys. So how they can join this batch, I'll be discussing that too. Don't worry about it. We will be discussing everything in this video, guys. Okay, so let us talk. First of all, I have told you that we have divided it into certain levels. We will be building your level, and first level is about the classes which you will be doing, foundation lectures, guys. And these classes, what you will be getting, how you will be getting, let us see. In these classes, first of all, language will no more be a barrier. For the person who are comfortable in entirely English, they can go for the English playlist videos. All entirely I have explained each and every part of the unit in English, right? And for the English, those people who are completely comfortable in Hindi language, they can go for the English language course or English language playlist. अब इसमें क्या है, I'll be using Hindi एंड इंग्लिश टू, दोनों का इस्तेमाल करूंगा आपको समझाने के लिए इंग्लिश बैच में. लेकिन कहीं कहीं कभी कभी पीपल थिंक दैट आपको हिंदी में कंटेंट लिखा हुआ मिलेगा, जैसे ये सब कुछ इंग्लिश में लिखा हुआ है लेकिन मैं बोल हिंदी में रहा हूँ. दिस इज इंग्लिश, गाइस. आपको हिंदी में कंटेंट नहीं मिलेगा, कंटेंट सब इंग्लिश में रहने वाला. ठीक है, कुछ स्टूडेंट्स के डाउट्स होते हैं, इसलिए मैं इतना इसको एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ, राइट. Second thing, we will be completing these foundation lectures in just 3 months, guys. Maximum 3 months, minimum 3 months, maximum you can be say 4 months. 3 to 4 months it will be completely entirely over, right? Also, how you have to integrate these test series, I'll be telling you in the level 3 part. Don't worry, because how you will be going ahead with these lectures, you have to solve these test series also. Part length tests will be there, full length tests will be there, and how you have to do, when you have to do, that is my work, that is my mentorship support you will be getting throughout. Apart from that, you will be getting best quality books over here in the format of paper 1 book and paper 2 book, and that will be hard copy notes. Again, I am saying hard copy, not soft copy. It will be dispatched to your address. Now I'll be giving you certain class lectures, and for that PPTs will be given to you, and some PPTs will be handwritten too. It will be help you to enrich again your foundation class lectures only. Comprehensive coverage of paper 1 and paper 2. For example, those students who are new, let me show you how UPSC mentions paper 1 and paper 2. देखो, as per the UPSC notification, you will be seeing the syllabus in this format, paragraph format, paper 1, and like this paper 1, and like this also paper 2 you will be seeing. So what I have done, we have divided it into certain units, and we have created 8 units for paper 1 over here. So agroecology, agronomy, forestry, weed science, soil nutrient management, soil water conservation, agriculture economics, agriculture extension are your 8 units in paper 1. But will you be approaching it from first unit to second unit to third unit? No, guys, not like this. So approach will be different. That I'll be discussing it in the separate orientation session for all my students. That first we will be understanding the soil, then soil and water conservation, that how we will be conserving water, and this I have explained in my approach for paper 1 video 2, that is out on YouTube. You can see it, approach for paper 1 agriculture, Sunya IAS, you can search. But again I'll be explaining it in the orientation session too. Okay, so like this we are going to cover this paper 1. Similarly, we have divided paper 2 into certain 7 units, and these 7 units again we will be covering. Very important, very interesting, guys, very interesting. You will find it real you can say fascinating when you will be learning about this. Okay, and this will be entirely different from what you might have learned in your graduation. Even if you have not learned anywhere and this agriculture option is new to you, you might be an engineer, you will be qualifying this examination with this optional. And I have my students who have qualified it, right, as engineering as their background too. So background doesn't matter over here. So apart from that, in lectures we will be doing the structural method of learning, means in flowchart, in mind map format. We will be completing the entire whatever component is being asked in the particular syllabus, right, we will be completing it. And the most important thing is we will be rectifying each and every aspect in the class itself. Also, we'll be starting the class by starting with PYQs and ending the class by PYQs only. PYQs are of utmost importance, and we will be doing PYQ session also in the enrichment part, which is the level 2. I'll be discussing that level 2. So level 1 is all about creating your base with the help of these particular things, right? So when you will be creating your base, guys, now comes the extra 50 marks which you can get from this enrichment and mentorship support. How you will be getting it? Because I'll be taking certain live enrichment doubt clearing sessions of your after each unit. For example, you have completed unit 5, then I'll be taking one live sessions with respect to your doubts, with respect to how you can compile this unit 1 unit 5 in short time, crisp notes. That all will be discussed over there. So enrichment sessions will be happening. You will be staying connected with me. Second, very important, that how you will be doing that, how you will be getting new case studies on the basis of this monthly current affairs, The Hindu, Indian Express. I'll be utilizing any editorial related to agriculture. I'll be telling you, and I'll be telling you these are monthly. For example, you have completed it in April, I'll be releasing April, or I'll be taking live sessions of this April month too. Okay, current affairs related to agriculture. I'll be telling you how you can utilize it in GS3 prelims, and how you can utilize this information in your optional studies too under what hat. That all will be done by me. Don't worry about it. You just have to be present actively. Third thing is it will be including Kurukshetra and Yojana magazine too, guys. Okay, Kurukshetra and Yojana magazines, like those who don't know, these are the government issued magazines which highlights the agriculture development and the rural development. So we'll be focusing upon it too. Also, test discussions will be going to happen, that I'll be discussing in the level 3 part. That is the test series component, right? So we will be discussing it in the test series component, guys. By this enrichment part, you can score 50 plus marks. The 250 I was ensuring from my foundation classes. 50 plus marks you can get from this enrichment session, guys. And now comes the practice part. How you will be practicing. Your doubt must be, sir, in test series how many tests will be there? So there will be 8 part length tests. What do I mean by that? For example, you have done unit number 5 from my videos, unit number 6 from my videos. Now there will be one part length test designed for you. For example, this will not. Level 1 is about watching my videos and you will be making base. Level 2 will be about, is there any doubt solving enrichment session you have to do with respect to these units. Enrichment you will be seeing. Then level 3 will be about giving the test. And test will come in the form of part length test, which will be containing questions related to these units, these 2 units only. And this way we have designed 8 part length tests. So that is how you are assessing yourself, that whether you are able to retain information or not. This is very useful, and you will be under my guidance. Any test you will be going, suppose you have given first part length test, so I'll be doing the test discussion after each test over here, guys. And this component I have added over here too, right? Very important. And in lastly you will be getting this 4 length full test. The overall thing you must be understanding, that it will take you around 3 to 4 months to complete this optional classes. Simultaneously enrichment classes will be going on, and simultaneously test discussions will be going on, and this will go on throughout the 3-4 months. These classes will be over, but these test discussion, this enrichment sessions will be there throughout the year. So you will be getting how to write answers, PYQ sessions, certain prelim session related to agriculture also I'll be taking you, so that you don't have to worry about agriculture at all, whether with respect to prelims or with respect to mains. Evaluation also you will be getting certain model answers also, guys. ठीक है, model answers वगैरह भी आपको यहाँ पर मिलने वाले, ठीक है. So you see, देखो how you will be going through this particular module FCE batch, how you will be going it through in the website. Let me show you. See guys, over here you will be going to www.sunyaias.com. Under that, on the upper tab you must be seeing optionals. click on options. Over here you will be getting several options. If you are new and you are confused what option to choose, you must go through this. But let me tell you, agriculture will beat all, because a lot of students are unaware of agriculture optional, right? Now when you will open this agriculture optional, you will be getting over here agriculture optional FCE, foundation come enrichment course, right? 2026, starting from 14th April. Go in the view details and subscribe option over here. Now for subscription, you have to first sign up. You can see on the corner sign up option, right? आप इस तरफ देख रहे होगे, इस तरफ देख रहे होगे, एक बार साइन अप का देखो. जब आप साइन अप करोगे, then you have to log in, then you will be getting the option to subscribe. Now all the components which I have discussed over here in level 1, level 2, level 3, it is written over here. Few more things I'll be adding, I'll be updating, like for example the demos for the classes you will be getting over here. Let me tell you that in the whole this education industry, nobody are providing you, no institutes is providing you the demo lectures. Now that is a matter of concern for me, because everybody should provide their demo lectures, and I have provided ample amount of it, because then it will be open-ended. Students have the choice to choose, right? Whether if you are understanding my way of teaching, you should join me. If you are not understanding, you are understanding some others teaching way, you should join them. But हैरानी वाली बात यह है that really amazed me that nobody is providing the demo classes for free, guys, or demo classes out on YouTube. That is very strange thing which I feel. ठीक है, but anyway you will be getting ample amounts of demo videos over here on YouTube too, and I'll be providing in this foundation classes, I'll be providing certain links too. ठीक है, with respect to test series also, you wanted to see how questions are being framed, how are they evaluated, and how the model answers are given. That all I'll be adding over here too. अगर नहीं ऐड होते हैं, if you want to connect with me, directly connect with me. I'll be giving you my number also in the last. Don't worry about it. ठीक है, so like this I'll be adding in the site, guys, not over here but in the site, like question come answer booklet, model answers, click here, evaluated copy you will be getting over here. Don't worry about it, right? So test series components also I have discussed over here. So level 3, now combine these level 3 and you are good to go to be the topper in the next phase. I am ensuring you that, right? Now these are some of the students of mine who have finally secured a rank. For example, rank 33 in IFOS examination. You can see over here, you can understand that over here she was from the information science engineer background. In her 6th attempt she cleared it, guys. Over here you can pause the video and read it about the JKPCS rank first. Over here Mehak Sharma you will be getting, and certain other exams also you will be getting over here got selected as certain in your state PCS, either in civil services or in Indian Forest Service, guys. These are the students, certain feedbacks of the students you will be seeing who are already my subscriber. Pause the video, you can read it. Lastly, now for the students who are my subscriber and want to join this FCE batch, let me tell you that you call me on this number and I'll be telling you how you can go ahead subscribe to it. Okay, if you have now any queries related to FCE batch or related to some other queries also, you can connect with me on this number, on Telegram or WhatsApp you can do. ठीक है, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होती है, you come in contact with me in this on this number, guys. Rest all the best for you for the upcoming attempt. Thank you so much, and let me be the part of your journey, guys. Thank you so much.